Iphenduke ngomalema indaba yayizolo umhla ka-18 July 2024 lapho khona umnumzane Gayton McKenzie bekhuluma ke nabezindaba ebongela okanye ke encoma inkulumo ke kaMnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa yokuvula iParliament. Angiqale nje kubingelele ngikwamukele le channel eMaswidi Media Production. Mangabe yaqala ukufika ngicela ukuthi ngenzele iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushawa like bese kuya comment kulolu daba namhlanje. Nganza kwethu tabengeza ngalo njengamanje luthi ke uphenduke ihlaya umnumzane Julius Malema kumnumzane Gayton McKenzie onguminister ke Sports, Arts and Culture olapha ke eMzansi Afrika esho nokusho ukuthi ke usemdlule ngezinga kukho konke ngenxa yenkani yakhe Malema yokunqaba ukujoyina ke iGNU njengoba ke bethi iGNU ayizukusebenza uzowaprovela ke ukuthi ke iGNU izoba ke impumelelo uthi ke ama South Africans asazoba ke nobumnandi bodwa kulo 5 years ozayo njengoba ke bona bezobe ke bephethe ngohlelo lweGNU. Ngicela ukuthi uyizwele ngowakho ukuthi ke uyibeke kanjani inkulumo yakhe bese uqedile ngenzela iqiniso ukuthi ucofa subscribe uya like bese uya comment asibana kwi video landelayo. Ngiyabonga.
Did the president's speech do to you in terms of your own impressions?
I think this was one of the best speeches by President Cyril Ramaphosa. I think one of the best. He spoke about the future. He spoke about what we lack. He spoke about how we're going to fix that. I think this is one of the best. And, you know, it's true. I'm not going to deny it. This department was seen as a condolences and a congratulations department. That time is over. I'm not here to come and condolences the whole day to people and give them condolences. I'm here to make sure artists live and not be there when they die only. We're going to change stuff. I'm a very lively guy. I'm not a guy that's asleep. Things are going to change. I'm the Minister of Happiness. South Africans are very depressed. We must make them happy. We must bring them together. The ones that still want to live in the past, we are leaving them behind. We are going forward as one nation under God. We are one nation. We're going to be happy. South Africa is going to have the best 5 years. They say the GNU is not going to last. I saw the EFF say the GNU is not going to last. Can we really take them serious? Were they not the same ones that said they're a government in waiting? What waiting? We are still waiting for them to come into government. I've even overtaken them. I'm a minister today. Because let me tell you something. The voters has told us, get together, build this country. We will not give one particular party all the power. You must share the power and find a way to work together. And that's what we are doing. We are building the country. We are leaving our differences behind. Do you think I don't have differences with the Democratic Alliance? I've got lots of differences, but for the sake of the country. I've got differences with the ANC, but for the sake of the country. They've got differences with me, but for the sake of the country, we must hold hands. People are out there, they are hungry, they are poor, they are destitute, they are unemployed. The time has come for us to take the bull by the horns. And I'm glad that I'm in the executive, because I'm one person, I'm results driven. And South Africa is in for a treat. Money buys a massacre.